Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the SDET Sanjay channel. So today we are going to dive into how to integrate self-healing locators into our page object model framework. So if you have seen one of my previous videos, you already know what are auto-heal or self-healing locators are, right? But just to give a quick refresher, uh, when a locators in your application changes, instead of your test just failing, the framework tries to find the element in the DOM and keeps your tests running. Super handy, right? So for this setup, what uh, we will do, I will show you a project which I have created, and I will we will also see it in action. So for this project, it's a simple uh, page object model where we have main uh, and test. So for now, I have kept all the pages in this pages folder package, and we have a base page, login page, and for our demo, I just created uh, this orange login page and source demo, and there are multiple utility, and here there is a like properties file. I have explained it in my previous videos as well, as where we used a minimal configuration to for AutoHeal. But here what we are trying to do, we will use our properties file so that it will be easier for everyone to use as per their different AI providers. For example, here I am using Google Gemini, which is super easy to um, integrate and get the keys. There are some uh, free keys as well, which you can use, and and after that you can pass the different model. um, you can pass the different strategies as I mentioned earlier, right? Smart sequential, DOM, parallel, visual, all those. And also there is a cache, which you can which kind of cache you want to keep. So for now, for this I have kept like persisting file, so that your the the locators which is in the cache will be saved in a file, so that next time when you need, it will be fetched from the file instead of hitting the original AI. And quickly I'll show the test. So in base test, I am instantiating the driver and the AutoHeal locator. So and after that, we are creating here the full AutoHeal, which I was mentioning. So which basically read all your properties file, um, and all those different keys. And if you don't provide, it will take the default values as well. You can go through all these, read the properties file where I have given comment and explain each properties. And um, and yeah, I'll show one more thing quickly. The locators, which I was saying that here, if we use any of the test where, let's say I'm doing the login, okay, valid username, password, which I'm passing, but uh, here you can see that username field, it's a wrong, right? So if I go to this, I have already opened my this orange locator. So if I go here and just quickly show you what is actual the input field, and you can see it's a username in the name, okay, but here I am passing username wrong, similarly password wrong. So these I'm intentionally passing so that I am hoping that be fixed by it will be uh, it will be fixed by the locators, okay. And also in the source demo, here also you can see the same thing, where I am passing the wrong locator. So if you go login and username, so you see username, password is here wrong here. Also the login button is wrong. So if I'll show quickly here also, just quickly, so without taking much time, so you can see that the ID is password, right? So here this is also the ID is login button, but here you see login button wrong and password this one. So that's it. Let's run and I will show you the report, and also after that I'll explain how the reports are being configured through these util files. So for that, before that, yeah, so I have created a test.ng XML file where I can run both these test classes, source demo and this test class which I have created, and I have created this listener. I will explain this after running the test. And I have already explained the other videos, but in this pom.xml there is a different way to take the configuration. So for example, here I have taken the configure this this dependency by using this snapshot version, which is I it is in my local M2 folder from this AutoHeal locator. So there is a different way you can use any of the way to get the dependency. If you go to the README file of this AutoHeal locators, you can get to know. I will give the project location, GitHub project location in the description. So let's quickly run the project. So I will run now from here. Okay. So let's see quickly. Okay, it started running. And yeah, it's open the first source, and it is try to find out. Yeah, it got, I think, and it is first running the invalid user, but yeah, you can see it's try to log in with the invalid and it's a correct behavior. Now it's try to run with, yeah, with the, see, it's so fast, so it try to run with the, because next time I probably it is using the cache, so that's why it's so fast. So now let's see for this. Yeah, it is taking some time to get it. So admin, yeah, and yeah, it done its job, right? Perfect. So now let's go to the project. Okay, um, and see the reports. Let's see, it's in the tier done, it's still being generated. Yeah, cool. So hopefully, yeah, it's been generated now. So if I go here and see the report, so yeah, perfect. We can see the report. Yeah, and you see it used the AI, which is consolidated suite report, where it's use the AI, and you can see that number of tokens it used, and also which is the original locator and what is actual locators. Okay, so this is we given wrong, but this is the actual locator which is fetched by the AI, and it also give the reasoning why it choose this locator. Okay, and um, also you can see, so this is for one, and this is for another one. Okay, so we have two applications, right? So you can see the password we have given wrong for the source demo, but username was correct, so it took the original selector, right? So now this has been kept in the cache file. Okay, there is a filter as well. You can see like how many success and all those different things. Okay, how many are from cache. Okay, so some of those are from cache as well, because as I told, it runs twice, right? So first time when it runs the source demo, it tries to get from the AI, but next time it did not go to AI. Instead, it took from the cache. Okay, so that's a good thing. And how many original locators we have provided, how many DOM analysis. So all this data you can quickly get it and you can fix this. Okay. Now let's quickly see that our quickly I will run once, and in this time I'm expecting everything should be come from the cache. Okay, so let's quickly run it once again, because That's what we have implemented it. First, it will check the original locator. If it cannot find, it will go to the cache. If that particular element is already cached, then it will take from there. If it is not, it will go to the AI strategy to find the value. If still it's not, it will throw the exception. So yes, it worked fine and it's faster, you see, because it's now from the cache and original locators. So yeah, looks good. I will go and reports. Now you can see the time. Okay, this time and this time. So report has been generated, and this is consolidated report. Consolidated report. So if I'll go here and boom, see, all are from the cache. Okay, either cache or from your original locators. So no AI is involved. So once it is in the cache, it will come from the cache. So it will save your money, right? Now, um, yeah, now you can see there are two other uh, reports also been generated. So what are those two? So basically, by default, this project generates the report as per your test classes. But it will be difficult if you have multiple test classes. So that's why we created a utility method which will give you the consolidated report, which is AutoHeal report aggregator. And we created this listener, which I wanted to show you. This listener, what it does, let me quickly make this side. So here, this is a test engine listener where we have this on start, and it will run before each suit level test. So where it will create the directory where the report will be saved for each run. And in on finish, what it will do, it will move all those reports, individual reports which has been generated into that for consolidation. Okay, and yes, so that's the main purpose of this run. So here in this, it is generating the consolidated report. Okay, in this. And this is, I already mentioned, the AutoHeal this manager. So either you can use from the properties file, or if you don't want, like the last time we created the minimal AutoHeal, which will create like only use some of the properties, remaining it will use from the default file. Yes, this is how you can integrate with your existing project, or probably if you're creating a new project, then also you can integrate it. Yeah, please try to include it and let me know if you are facing any issue, or if you are creating a complex DOM, or if you have a complex DOM where it is not able to return. Feel free to comment, or feel free to ping me so that we will try to make it more robust. I will try to use a different prompt, which is under the hood. It is using the prompt engineering. So we'll try to make it more robust. Yeah, thanks everyone.